Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ever since I've been in business, we have never recorded any business of any loss. As it stands as Nedu-joe Enterprises, it has been from one level to another because the business has been built in consistency, availability, and it has built with
When I was young,
more
I heard people preach
energy
about
to make sure
Jesus. The
that
word was deep to
we
see, but
serve
it seasons.
the
I see the goal, I
audience,
got
which
my
is my
hustle on my
potential
shoulders.
customers,
Jeje ni mo ń lọ,
in
man.
a
I
very
know who I cover.
unique
Steady on my
way.
grind, I'm focused for many
And
reasons. Been here a
for
couple
those
years
that
and I'm prepping
might
for
be
more
thinking
seasons.
that
My girl's my motivation, so my mom
Nedu-joe Enterprises,
words to
how
Almighty Allah because
can
He
we reach
sees
out to
me.
you?
He sees it
This
all,
my
what's above
platform
and
is
what's
always
beneath
there,
me. Lone sheep amongst the
and
wolves, and yet
I
He
bet
sheets
you
me
that I'm
automatically.
ready
Okogun why they can't
to serve
defeat me.
you
Cornerstone
much
levels, friends
better.
to hate me than they need.
Look at
Up
the
to all the girls
areas
I dated,
of
whether you
my
came easy
past
to have
previous
deactivated.
job done.
To
It has
commit it
been
before I made it.
amazing.
That's the reason I
We
get
just
up on
rounded
my
up with
ass
this
and hustle like
project,
I never fucking
and
made it.
it has been awesome. It has been a customer satisfaction, and it's lovely. Then another project is also coming up again, which you have to be involved by patronizing me. Okay, so this our proof, or this Nedu-joe proof, to make sure that we serve you, I serve you better. Just as I said, that distance is not a barrier. Distance is not a barrier. What money can do, no money can do it. So, Nedu-joe Enterprises, I can take it. It's my full chest. My customer satisfaction is my concern.